So I just completed my first month within the TikTok Shop affiliate program, and I've got to say, I'm absolutely mind blown. My results are crazy. I did not expect to come anywhere near the number I just made in 1 month within this program. So I'm going to share everything with you guys that I learned, everything that helped me make more money, the products that I went through, and I just want to break all of this down. But obviously the most important thing is I need to show you how much I earned because it's crazy. So let's head over here to my phone. This is the account that I used. Ruben recommends if you want to follow me there and follow my journey. Sneak peek to what I've made today so far, $865, which is in it of itself crazy. So 30 days and you can see $22,000 in 30 days. That's crazy. This should not be anywhere near a thing that's possible. Somehow it is. And if you guys want to get on this, you need to hop on it now. If you're not accepted, I'm going to put a card right here. It'll take you directly to a video on how to get in. You can watch that now and come back, or you can finish watching this, whatever you prefer. But y'all, this is an insane amount of money. And as you can see, I got in that time 9.3 million views. So I had a few viral videos, which I will go over and I'll try to break a few of them down. I have broken some of them down in past videos. One of the best profitable products for me throughout these 30 days was this IO Shop dual dog leash. Another one was a cervical neck pillow. This one earned me $6,100. That dual dog leash earned me $12,800. Within those two products, $18,000. And I actually mentioned both of those in my TikTok Shop affiliate program Facebook group, which you can find in the link in the description. And as you can see on March 4th, I told you all in that Facebook group, trending TikTok product. As you can see, right when I see a product is trending for me, I'm going to let y'all know because I want you guys to earn money as well. Okay, we're not gatekeeping here. That was just the pillow. We've also talked about the IO Shop dual dog leash in here. As you can see, told you guys on February 26th, trending TikTok Shop product, and you guys can read that there. This one was crazy because it was 60% commission. Eventually they boosted it up to 70% commission. Right now they've brought it back down to 50% commission because they're running low on stock. But that's the crazy part. It's just there's so much money to be made in this program. It's ridiculous, y'all. So my actual very first day, I made $22.55. So not a crazy amount, but enough to motivate me and let me know that this program is real. You can make money off of it. My biggest day throughout the month was February 27th, $2,500. We kind of started going down there. And after that $2,500 day, we never had less than $300, at least from what I can remember, which is crazy. You can see we had a few $1,000 days, $400 day, $200, $500. And then this last stretch here, this last couple 7-8 days of my first month was crazy. It was over $1,000 pretty much every single day. There is so much potential in this program. You guys need to start it, and don't feel like you're going to get that viral video right away. Okay, just keep posting, because when that video does take off, your whole channel and your whole TikTok account is going to come with it. You're going to start getting recommended more with those videos. So it'll all just escalate. All that hard work that you put beforehand is going to pay off when you get that first viral video. But if you stop posting and you get unmotivated, you give up, it's not going to happen, y'all. You're going to have a breakthrough. Everybody will. You just got to keep posting. There's a very common misconception about how many videos you can post, how many you should post, all of those things. So this program is still fairly new to be coming up with like really strict guidelines. Some people have even said to only post like once a day, that's crazy. If I posted once a day, I would definitely not have made anywhere near the amount of money that I made in this month. So I posted about 120 videos starting from February 20th, 120 videos, which averaged out over those 30 days is about 4 videos a day. Some days I posted about 3, some days I posted about 8 videos. It just depended on how much time I have. One thing that I did try to do regardless was not post within 30 minutes of each video. So on like those days where I posted 8 videos or 7 videos, 6 videos, I usually try to space them out. I stay up kind of late most nights, so sometimes I'd post them at like 2 a.m. that morning. I'd wake up, I don't know, like 8 or 9 a.m. And then I'd post another one, and then I just kind of spread them out throughout the rest of the day. Another common misconception is don't post the same product like the next day or within 2 days, or even the same day. Yeah, you can get rid of that too. There was multiple times where I posted the same product, maybe not like more than twice a day. I rarely even do that. Like I try not to do twice in one day unless there's like a huge sale or something is really taking off and maybe I want to do a comment reply. But usually I'll record a video on that product and then maybe I'll do one the next day or the day after. And then it doesn't really bother me to post that same product. And you can see I started off with like the vacuum. I started off with these gold strips and then I did another one of the vacuum trimmer. I had 6 viral videos throughout this month and I'm considering viral over 100,000 views. But even then you can see I've had a couple that have had like 15,000. This one had like 40,000. This one had 18,000, 28,000. Not every video is going to go viral, but each video gives you a new opportunity to go viral. The more opportunities you have, the more likely you will be to hit that viral video. So just keep posting, keep trying. It's really, really important to not give up. But it's also important to learn from other creators, learn from people that are doing this at the top. There's a few ways that you can do this. You can go into product marketplace. TikTok itself will literally tell you what the best sellers are. As you can see, the best sellers. So for example, here, I'll go into the dual dog leash and then it shows you right here. It shows you the best creators that are converting well right here. You can just watch these people and see exactly what they're doing. So that's what I would do. I'd kind of listen to what they do. I'd click on their profile. I'd even just switch over to their profile, kind of scroll through it a little bit, see what's going on with even other products that they're doing, see what other products they're doing well with. And let's say I watch this dual dog leash video and I want to recreate it. Sometimes I'll just switch it up slightly, or I'll even take the concept of that dual dog leash and let's say I want to put it towards an air purifier video. So I'm still taking that concept of what I learned, but seeing if it works with another genre or another niche. And talking about niche, no, I didn't say to a specific niche. Some people, when they have a viral video, they just stay on that niche and they get stuck there. I made sure to still continue to spread out my types of products and things of that nature. And you can see it still worked out. I didn't stick with it. I still kept spreading it. So we've got like car fragrances, car products. We've got air purifiers. Another way that you can do it is by using Calodata. I'll have an affiliate link down in the description so you can get 10% off every single month that you're subscribed to it. It's not the most accurate when it comes to sales, but it's good for seeing trends. It's good for seeing like view counts, which ones are actually getting views. And then you can see some of those product videos from those exact creators. You can see some of the top creators on here. So it's just a little bit easier of a way to manage than going through the TikTok shop. I've done a video on this as well on how to do product research. So I'm kind of gathering a bunch of different videos for you to learn from. So if you want to check those after this video, those are all available on my channel already. It's also important to utilize this to your advantage. So with my most viral video, this was 4.6 million views as of now. What happened was within the 30 days, I had this one go to about 800,000 views. And like I said, this was the pillow that I mentioned in my Facebook group. So then I went and I messaged the brand, and I'll actually show you guys this here on my phone just so it's actually this brand. Within 8 days, I had gotten 800,000 views just organically. And then I was like, okay, great. Because we were talking about something beforehand. And I was like, do you see my videos are generating you a lot of sales? They're like, yes, we do. Can you provide your ads code? And then they even asked for me to provide them my ads code, which is really crazy. So I sent it to them, and then they started promoting it, and they took it from like 800,000 views organically to now 4.6 million views within the span of about another 8 days or so, which is crazy. And from that, like I said earlier, we've generated about $6,000 extra dollars from a 10% commission product. Regardless if it's a 10% commission product, even an 8% commission product, which it was at one point, they lowered it to 8% for some reason, made me kind of angry. But they ended up bringing it back up to 10%. So regardless if it's a 10% product, if it's a product that can sell, utilize it to your advantage. Try to make that video, try to make a viral video by using some of the things you learned in my other videos, by watching other creators and learning from them. This one is $35 at 10%. That's still $3.50. That's not bad, especially as you can see, if it goes this viral, you can make a crazy amount of money within a short amount of time. Another thing that's really important is to have drafts ready. So you can see I've got 15 videos that at any point I can just edit and get them uploaded. That's really important because obviously there's going to be days where you're going to be a little bit busier. So having those videos ready to go so that you can stay on top of at least one video a day. A good thing to know is that authenticity will win in this program. This dual dog leash video, was one that I also already made a video on. So like I said, if you're new to my channel, definitely scroll through it. I might break down a lot of things. I even broke down this video. It's just me showing my dogs, showing the dog leash here, talking about it.
You have 2 dogs and they keep getting tangled when you're walking. Let me show you guys something crazy. This is an IO Shop dual dog leash, and look at that. As she crosses over, there is no tangling. So it has this circle here, and as they rotate over each other, all it does is just go back and forth, so it never lets them actually get tangled. I've never seen them this low. IO Shop has them for $20 here in the TikTok shop. Make sure you get them while you still can.
Very simple, authentic video. It doesn't sound like I'm overly hyped. There's no like crazy edits or pop-ups on screen, no crazy stickers or anything like that. I just try to keep it as authentic, as original as possible, and people really like that. As of right now, I am a physical therapist assistant, so my knowledge is within the health and kind of wellness niche, and I try to use that to my advantage with this ergonomic pillow. I started off with having a little notebook that I had during school. I'm pointing out the muscles that I'm talking about. And yes, my yellow pillow was there on purpose. I picked the ugliest pillow because I wanted people to comment about it. And that's something else that I learned within these 30 days. As much as you can, try to put something controversial, obviously not like crazy controversial. You don't want to get banned or anything, but something like that'll get people to comment, like my yellow pillow here. As you can see, once again, here on my TikTok shop, the results are crazy. Even today, now I'm at 892. I don't know what it was when I started at, but I've definitely earned like another, like $20 maybe, hopefully, from the start of the video when we checked it. There's a lot of things that you can learn just on my channel, things that I've gone over. Hopefully this was helpful. If you want to learn my recording and editing process, you can click this video here. Thank you guys for watching.